little artists! Today, get ready to brighten up your day as we draw a big, beautiful rainbow flower. Are you excited to create something vibrant and cheerful? Let's dive in! Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's start our floral masterpiece. Begin by drawing a circle at the center of our flower. This circle will be the heart of our radiant creation. Then, draw 10 lovely petals around the circle, spreading joy in every direction. Let's make those outlines bold and sharp to give our flower that extra pop. And now, it's time to add some color to our beautiful flower. Grab your color pens, and let's create a rainbow of happiness. We'll start by coloring the center circle with the colors of the rainbow. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Now, let's color the petals with the same rainbow hues. Red color. Orange color. To add a special touch to our flower, let's decorate the petals with black dots. Yellow color. Green color. Decorate these two petals with black dots. Blue color. Indigo color. Decorate these two petals with black dots. Purple color. Pink color. Decorate these 2 petals with black dots. Ocean blue color. Bottle green color. To add a special touch to our flower, let's decorate the petals with black dots. There you have it, a big, beautiful rainbow flower that's bursting with color and charm. Until next time, keep on painting and spreading joy, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.